Our address is 158 Street, New York, right?
100.
Okay, we put the address here, and this is navigation machine, and it shows wrong direction. We are going there, okay? Where is
just
it?
yep.
This one?
There you go.
Okay. So is it going? Keep going. Where is the end?
Martinsville, Hazleton.
Hazleton. Okay. We wanna see the end.
I-80 West.
Okay.
Keep going.
Keep going. I-80 West. I-80 West. Okay. Okay. Barberton. Dayton.
Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus,
Dayton, Ohio.
That's Ohio?
Cleveland, Ohio. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you got, is that Indianapolis? Yeah. All the way to go from Pennsylvania to New York. This was originally starting in Syracuse.
Wow. Okay, so we keep going.
Peoria? I don't know where that is.
I don't know either. And
Indiana. Des Moines, Iowa.
What is St. Paul? Where is St. Paul?
I don't know.
This comes out.
Yeah, it comes right off.
Okay.
Why don't you just put it on the ground? Would it be easier to video?
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do.
And then I think
Okay. I'm going to catch you again. Okay. And where? Where else? Where else we need to go?